Hello, my name is Christopher Elliott and I'm the Information Resource Librarian here at the Southeast Oklahoma Library System. Today I want to talk to you about our Ebsco Discovery Service. A discovery service is where you can use our library's catalog to not only search for materials in our collection, but also our databases. To get there, you just simply go to seolibraries.com, and when you are there, you simply type in what you are looking for under the catalog. So for instance here, I'm going to type in Choctaw and see what our results are. So we type that in and hit search. We get our results of books and other resources in our library collection, but there are more items that you can look at besides these. Go over to the upper left-hand corner and click on Databases. That will get you over 1 million research items found. You can look under Research Starter to get a quick information on what you were looking for. Going down, you can see all of our online resources, ebooks, audios, and the like of items about the Choctaw. Here is a academic journal article. You can text it to you or access the full text. Accessing the full text brings up the article as well as where it appeared and what database it used. We have some options to the side that you can look at it at HTML or PDF. Click on PDF, gets you the article in the PDF format. Once you find an article you like, there are several ways you can do it. You can save it to your Google Drive, you can print it, you can email it, you can save it, you can cite it. This gives you recommendations on how to cite an article, or you can permalink it, which means create a permanent link so you can always go back to it without having to do another search. From here, you notice that if you look in the upper right-hand corner, you have limiters. Right here we have quite a few results, so we only want to look at items published within the last year. So I click on Date Published and type in 2019 to 2020 and hit Include. That wheels down the searches to only those in the past year. Again, you can click on Items to see what you want. I notice there are some in a foreign language, so I can click on that, but here I want academic journals only. Again, clicking on only English, and I can also select content provider if there's a specific database I'd rather use. Clicking on the academic journal here, you can see that it gets the first rural community, Indian country, from June 1st, 2019. Not only are there limiters, but there are expanders. By default, it only searches full text articles. You can unclick that if you want to expand your search, or you can have it search for applied related words, that is, words that are similar to what you're looking for, but you may have missed by doing your keyword search. And that is pretty much it to use our discovery service. If you have any questions, feel free to call the library and we will help you more with what you're looking for.